Hi there, students. Affront, affront. To affront, a verb. An affront, a noun. I guess an adjective, affronted. Yeah? Okay, to affront means to insult somebody, especially intentionally and openly. Very often in the passive, I was affronted by what he said. His affronts, noun, were extremely rude. What he said I regarded as an affront to my dignity. Yeah, it was an affront that he dared to say that. It was an insult. So affront, a posh word for insult. Yeah, I was really affronted by what he said. Yeah, he had such an affronted look on his face. There you go, as an adjective. Okay, so a remark, an affront, a remark intended to upset somebody. Okay, and that I think is the most common meaning: an insult, an offence, a slight, a snub, a slur. Now, I've been thinking about this. You can also use to affront means to confront. We need to affront this problem with urgent haste, to confront, to meet defiantly, to do something about it, yeah? To meet it head on. I think this is probably less used, and I think confront is probably more common. He affronted the dangers with a steadfast resolution. Yeah. Okay. So to affront, to deal with, but I think this is less common. The comments he made were an affront to decent society. Yeah, they were just very, very offensive. I was really affronted by what he said. I was insulted by it. Yeah, so an affront, disrespect, an insult, an outrage, a slap in the face. Yeah, an indignity. Okay, so let's see. If something affronts you, you feel insulted because of it. Um, you've affronted all of the neighbours, so don't expect any help from them. Yeah. Um, my mum was affronted when she saw the bill. She was offended. She was angry. She was upset. Yeah. Something can be an affront to you. Something that's an affront to you was an affront to me that he spoke to me like that. An insult, an injury, a wrong. Yeah. Something that offended my pride, my dignity. It was an open insult. So don't look so affronted. Don't look so outraged. Don't look so offended. Yeah, it wasn't meant to hurt you. It wasn't meant to make you feel like that. Yeah, this is what this racist said is an affront to all decent society. Yeah. Um, okay. There were several examples of things that particularly affronted him, that provoked him, that annoyed him, that vexed him, that displeased him, that made him angry. Yeah? So, something is an affront to something. To be affronted by something. This wasn't meant as an affront to you. Yeah, don't be affronted by the offhand way in which he deals with people. He deals with everyone like that. It's just his way. So, to affront, to be affronted. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 informality as the meaning of insult. I think also the meaning of to affront a problem, to deal with a problem. 6.5 to 7. Let's see. Informally, an insult. Yeah, to diss. Yeah. Use it semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from vulgar Latin affrontare, to hit in the face. So an insult is like to hit in the face. Add to and frons, forehead in Latin. Okay, so this is an affront to all decent society. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Affront.